Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melon Playground on iPad. First, head to the App Store and search for Melon Playground. Once you find it, tap to download and install the application. Make sure your iPad has enough space, ideally at least 200 megabytes for a smooth experience. After installation, simply open the app. You'll be greeted by the main menu, ready to start your creative journey. Getting started with controls is straightforward. You'll primarily use touch gestures. A single tap selects an item, while tapping and dragging allows you to move it around your scene. To get a closer look or a wider perspective, simply pinch 2 fingers on the screen to zoom in or out. These intuitive controls make manipulating characters and props incredibly easy, giving you full command over your creations. The heart of Melon Playground is scene creation. Tap the item panel, usually located on one side of the screen, to browse through a vast collection of characters, weapons, and environmental props. Drag your chosen items into the play area. You can combine them in countless ways, setting up dynamic interactions. Watch as the game's physics engine brings your imaginative scenarios to life with realistic movements and reactions. To truly enhance your experience, dive into advanced features. Many players enjoy exploring community-created mods, which offer new items and functionalities. Remember to save your most impressive scenes using the in-game save option. This allows you to return to them anytime. Don't forget to share your imaginative creations with friends or the broader Melon Playground community. There are endless possibilities for fun and creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.